In this tutorial, we will learn how to create this beautiful birthday poster in Photoshop. Without wasting time, let's do it. First things first, let's set up the document for the design. Go to File, click on New. Come to this section and rename the document. Change the value of the width to 9 inches and the height to 9 inches. Set the resolution to 300 and click on Create when you are done. Now it's time to create our background. We will be incorporating these images in the background. So click and drag this image and place it into the Photoshop document. Use the handles to adjust the size. Press Enter when done. Place the other image on top. Adjust the size with the corners. Press Enter when done. Now we want to blend the two pictures together to look as one. To do this, select the top layer and reduce the opacity. Now, go down to the Layer panel and apply Layer Mask. Press B for the Brush tool. Reduce the opacity to about 25% and brush the edge to make it smooth. Now, click and drag this image layer into Photoshop. Adjust the size and position it well. Press Enter when done. Now, it's time to remove the background of the image. Right-click the image layer and click on Rasterize. Go to Windows, select Properties. This will open the Properties panel for you. Click on Quick Actions and click Select Subject. It will make selection around the image from the surrounding background. Now click on Remove Background to get rid of the background. Now, press B for Brush tool. Reduce the opacity of brush. Brush the edge to make the bottom part smooth. Select the rectangular tool from the toolbar. Create a rectangle here. You can double-click the thumbnail in the rectangular layer to choose color. Click on OK when done. Now, let's introduce some text. Press T for Type tool and type HBD. Click on the checkmark icon. Go to Windows, select Character. Use this section to enlarge text, change color, and font. Press Ctrl or Command plus T. Move the cursor closer to the side and rotate the text. Press Enter and move it close to the edge here. Select Text Layer and the Reduce Opacity. Press T for Type tool again and type text. Place it in the center of the rectangular shape. You can go ahead and change the color or font. Go to the Character panel, change the font, color, and size. You can type a well-wishing quotes at this side of the page. You can move the text around. Go to the Character panel, change the font, color, and size. Create a rectangle down here. Right-click on the Rectangle tool to select Triangle tool. Create triangle shape. Press Alt or Option key. Click and drag the triangle shape to make a duplicate. You can use the Properties panel to change color of shape. Repeat same process to get another triangle. Select all the 3 triangles, press Ctrl or Command plus T, and rotate them. While they are still selected, move them to this side. You can add more stuff down here, such as name as well as position. Create a new layer below this layer. You can always rearrange the layers by selecting and moving it up or down. The layer placed on top of the other will be displayed first. Now, pick the Brush tool and change the color. Reduce the opacity of the brush. If the size of the brush is small, enlarge it here. Click to apply color on the layer. Go to Blending Options and select the one that works well for you. This will help create highlight here behind the image. Duplicate triangle shapes at other parts of the design and reduce opacity. And that is how we create this beautiful birthday poster. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel to help me make more videos like this.